Right, fingers crossed. Number 9. So let's just check. 8 and 2, 6 minus 5 1/4. 8 pizzas, take away 5 pizzas is 3 pizzas. And then we've got this 2/6, take away 1/4. Remember that clock? There's our 1/6, and therefore there's 2/6. That would be 3, 4, 5, 6. Happy? So take away 1/4. That's our 1/4. It leaves a 12th, doesn't it? And you're used to that because you're used to a clock. Now let's do it maths-wise. We're going to put them both over 12, which is what we did here. We cut it up into 12 bits. Multiply the bottom by 2, multiply the top by 2. Multiply the bottom by 3, multiply the top by 3. And there we are, 1, 2, 3 quarters. So we're just going to put a bracket around that because I feel that makes it neater. So there's our 3 pizzas. And then we've got our 4 quarters, 4 twelfths, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take away our 3 twelfths equals 1 12th. So it's 3 and a 12th. Now let's go on to the next one. Let's go for a nice white, shall we? Adding. Always watch out for its adding. 2 plus 8 is 10, plus the 2/3, plus the 7/8. Ooh, 2/3 is a big bit, 7/8 is a big bit, so it's going to make one whole thing with a bit left over. So we're looking for 11 and a bit-ish. So let's see, we're going to put these both over 24. So it's 10 plus 24 over 24. It just means we cut the pizza into 24 bits. Multiply the bottom by 3, multiply the top by 3. 21. Multiply the bottom by 8, multiply the top by 8. Always leaving those signs. So here's our 10 whole pizzas plus 16 24ths plus 21 24ths. Okay, 16 satsumas plus 21 satsumas. So 21 plus 16 is 37 satsumas. 24 of those will make a whole one. So that now means we've got 11 whole pizzas. And 37 take away 24. 3, 1. And then that leaves us 13 24ths. Can we reduce that at all? I don't think we can, because that's, no. Should we put a little thing like that to make it show? I think we're getting a bit better at this, aren't we? We're getting better. Actually, no, we're not going to turn you off. We're going to move on to the next slide. And should we go for a bright yellow? We have here 4 6/9, 4 and 6/9, take away 1 3/4. Let's just do 1, 2, 3, 4. This isn't going to give us the whole thing. It will just give us an idea. 6/9 is 2/3. So it's take away 1. So we get rid of that one. And we get rid of 3/4. Ooh. So we can get rid of 3/4, but we're going to have to nibble with this bit. We need to nibble from there. So we're going to end up with 2 and a big bit. And a big bit. Ish. Let's give it a go. Now this is one of those ones, because this is bigger than this, we're going to have to do some dark magic. What we're going to do is put them, firstly we're going to cut all of these pizzas up into 9ths, and we're going to cut this pizza into quarters, and to celebrate we're going to have a different colour. So 4 pizzas, let's do them here, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to cut them all into 9ths. So I'll cut them into 3rds. Now 1, 2, 3, it gets very boring. Accuracy is so important. So that would be 9 here, 9 here, 9 here, 9 here, and 9 here, which makes 9, 18, 27, 36, And we've got these ones over here. And don't forget that one. So 36 plus 6, 42 ninths. I do hope that's right. Now this pizza, we're going to cut up into quarters. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, plus this extra 3/4. So that's 7 quarters. So now they're all cut up into slices, but you'll notice they're different sizes, which isn't very helpful. We've got to make them all the same size. And oh, whoopee-doo, have a look at this. The number is going to be vast. What number does 9 and 4 go into? I can only think of 36. Come on, we can be brave. Take away the 36. Have another marshmallow. And another one. That's it. Well done. Multiply the bottom by 9. Multiply the top by 9. 63. Multiply the bottom by 4. Multiply the top by 4. 168. Oh, okay, we'll do it properly. What was it? 42 times 4. 8. 1 times 8 is... 2 times 4 is 8. 4 times 4 is 16. Yes, got it right. Sometimes we do. Not a lot, but sometimes. Now we're going to have to do some taking away. And let's just see if we can take away. All I'm doing here is avoiding writing out the number again. You've seen my ability with writing out numbers, right? So we've got 168. Here's our 168. Take away 63 is 5, 0, 1. So that's 105 36. Well, you would feel a bit of a ninny, wouldn't you, if you went into a pizza shop and said, I want 105 36 of pizza. They would tell you in no uncertain terms what to do about that. So we'll give ourselves a bit more space. 36 and 36 makes 72. And another 36. I'm just trying to work out how many pizzas we can get out of this. So 136, that gives us 1 pizza. That gives us 2 pizzas. Now let's try adding those together, see what 3 pizzas would be. 8, 10. Yes. So we've only got 1 whole pizza, 2 whole pizzas. So it's 2. And now we've got 105. Don't worry if you're getting lost. One day it will fall into place. At the moment, you just have to keep trudging. So we've got 105 bits. Take away the 72 that makes 2 whole pizzas. There's our 72 making 2 whole pizzas. So that's 3. And so that gives us 33 36. We happy so far? What number will go into 33 and 36? It's 3, isn't it? So that would be 2 and 11 twelfths, because 3 goes into 33 11 times, 3 goes into 36 12 times. Shall we check? Shall we check, see if that is really the answer? Because if it's not, I think we'll cry. Thank goodness for that. And 1 more. Yes, why not? We'll treat ourselves. Come on then. More marshmallows. 2. Right, 2 and 5 makes 7. Plus 4/5 plus 2/3. What number do 5 and 3 go into? 15. Nailed it. Plus, so over 15 plus. Multiply the bottom by 5, multiply the top by 5, multiply the bottom by 3. 5 times 3 makes 15. Multiply the top by 3, which is 12. So that's 7 and 12. Satsumas plus 10. Satsumas is 22. Satsumas 15ths. So 15 15s will make a whole one. So that gives us 7 plus the extra whole one. And so we've taken off 15 of those, haven't we, to make a whole one. So it's 22 takes, so 7 15ths. Hang on. I want 8 and 7 15ths because that makes 8. Fingers crossed. Oh, we are getting better, my children. We are getting better. And not before time.